let's add on 7,300 more megabytes per second, 1 terabyte SSD into my PC. If you guys haven't checked out the video where I freed the other M.2 slot, go check it out. But yeah, let's do it.
If you haven't checked out your motherboard specs, you might not have a Gen 4 slot and only 2 Gen 3 slots, or however your manufacturer decide to implement the SSD slots. So I highly recommend checking out your motherboard for its specs. Don't just buy a Gen 4 SSD into a Gen 3 slot, because that will be just wasting money. Like you'll be just running Gen 3 speeds on a Gen 4 SSD, which is not ideal.
Unplug all the cables and turn your power supply off and hold down the power button. Right, that just clears your PC of any like remaining electricity. The other thing you basically need is just a screwdriver. That's it. Let's do it. First, to clean the desk. Obviously, it's kind of dirty. Got the desk cleared up. Good working space is needed for this. Not really. You just take the GPU out standing, but I like to do it this way. So now remove the front panel, and well, flip the PC over here, and then remove the front panel. Put out. Okay, remove this screw. Then you want to remove this tab right here. Power cable for the GPU. Ow! And then there's a tab you need to push in to get the GPU out. Boom. And just pull it out. Like that. It's scary every time. Alright, now Crucial T50 Pro with a heatsink as well. Oh, is that not tough? Just the module. Okay, now you want to align the holes up, push it in, and let it go. And it should just rest like that. Well, let's install this thing. Hey, hope this works. You know, because this on top one is Gen 3 and this is Gen 4. So I don't know how big of a difference that would make. Let's test it out. You get me? Okay, this is supposed to go on the top slot. Because this top slot is the Gen 4 one. MM.2_1. Graphics card in. Am I doing this right? Don't even get me mad.
Don't even get me mad.
Alright, now cable. Power cable, power supply cable. Boom. What are these? What are these like what are these things? Oh, what the fuck is that? Don't even get me started.
Don't even get me started.
Oh, I forgot. It's like you gotta slide in from the top, and then you gotta slide in like that. Alright, let's get everything plugged in and let's test it out. Power supply is on. Power on. That's spam F2. Fuck. Let's go ease mode. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Yeah, yep. There we go. 1000 micron. Wait, which one is? Which one's the micron one? This is micron. Okay. So micron has a 1024, and I have the 1000 and 0.2. Oh, 0.2 gigabytes. But the PC's internals didn't recognize the SSD as a drive.
Nothing. No drive. Or if I go to task manager, nothing. No drive. It says it's just the old one. So ChatGPT is telling me Windows X disk management. Okay, and then look for something like this 0 disk 1, your new one. Okay, it will look like a black bar. So it will look like a black bar on top. Yeah, black bar on top. It says unallocated size 931. Yep, that is true. Initialize the disk. Choose GPT, not okay. Click okay, and then right click in the allocated black area, and then go new simple volume, and then go next. Use full size. This is the full size. Yep. Assign the drive letter. Okay, let's do A for Audi. Let's go B for B7. Yeah. Oh no, okay. You choose one
Out of the 3 options.
Then you go next. Format as NTFS. Quick format. Yeah. New volume, default. Yep. Next. Okay. Cool. Let's see it. Hey. Wait. Let's go to. Hey. Come on. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, stay tuned for more though, cause about to be crazy.